little nuances and caveats, as Jim calls them, then we'll be good to go. So we're on the hip, we're leaning in, right? So I never want to be back here. Okay, back here we're gonna feel weak, and he's gonna feel really strong. He's gonna get rid of us all the time, kick us out of the box. It's gonna be on the toes. We're gonna be pulling. When you're grabbing the collar, this is Alex's question, we never wanna go wide. That's where you're gonna get Kimura, right? So I rarely get Kimura from this position, and the reason is that I have a lot of discipline with my elbow placement. So when I'm going for the collar, I just go right into it. I don't get kind of boxed out and start reaching. I'm always going straight in. As we go straight in, we pull, we're up, we bring him down, right? Once this knee and shin are underneath our chest, we're gonna weave. Once we weave, we no longer need our left knee in tight. I'm gonna put my head in this box, right? So I find the sternum to the bottom of the, maybe 5 inches down on the sternum, up to the top of the chest, and in here. I want my head somewhere in there. Okay, as long as I get my head in there and my knees are up, we're gonna get this leg out. And the way we do it is we shift our right shoulder towards the knees, then we circle. Okay? So sometimes I got pressure, I can do it okay. All right, so we get to our spot here. The head's in and the knees are up. And watch how when I shift everything out, the ankles are gonna pop. Once the ankles pop, you wanna drag that bottom leg towards your posting leg. And then the heel comes to the butt. And that right leg is up. So again, we're here, we did a good job. We start driving with our head and pulling with our collar hand. The more I can twist Rowan, the more I can compress this knee, the easier it is to get our foot up. Okay, so we get in here, we're pulling, we're driving. When I drive, I want to look at the shoulder. I don't want to drive like this so he can stuff my head here. Push the back of the head down. And so we're looking at that shoulder as we drive. Switch, and come out. That's all I want you to focus on here. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2.